Hey guys, pancake day is coming. Let me show you how to make our amaranth pancake recipe. Crush the cardamom with a pestle and mortar and add it to a saucepan. Zest the orange before juicing it and juice the orange with a lemon squeezer. Now add the sugar, bring it to a boil and let it simmer until it thickens. Pass it through a sieve. Stir in cold butter for a glossy finish. And the syrup is done. For the batter, pass all dry ingredients through a sieve, beat the eggs, and then add sparkling water, milk, and vanilla extract and mix well. Slowly pour this into the flour while whisking to avoid lumps. Add a touch of maple syrup and let it rest for at least 20 minutes. Meanwhile, cut off the top and bottom of the orange. Peel the orange following its curve with a really sharp knife and slice between the segments to separate them nicely. And here's your garnish. Heat up a carbon steel pan over medium-low heat, brush with butter and add the batter with a ladle. Cook on low heat until bubble forms on the pancake. Flip and cook for another 3 minutes. The seasoned carbon steel pan is perfect for pancakes as it heats up evenly to create this golden crispy crust. Top it with a scoop of Greek yogurt, orange segments, pistachios, and drizzle of syrup. And to be honest, you can add whatever you like. And here you go, healthy gluten-free pancakes. Save this recipe and follow for more.